how do you break the ice if you haven't talked to them in 6 months or a year or 2 years or since you had a closing? How do you break the ice with these people? It's actually fairly simple to do. What I want you to do is apologize to them and realize that you're kind of putting the blame on them. Apologize to them and realize all of a sudden they haven't been contacting you and you were a little worried about that. Well, how do we do that? Whether you're calling them, emailing them, texting them, sending them a letter, whatever you're doing, say, hey, I just realized I haven't heard from you in a little while. And it might be my mistake. You may not realize that you should be contacting your real estate agent at absolutely all times for any information you need that's home related. And if you don't mind, I'm going to go ahead and put you on my monthly newsletter so that you can be up on what's going on in today's marketplace. Hopefully that's okay for you. You'll see that in your mailbox here soon. So again, very simple approach that you can use to re-engage those prospects. Hey, we've got a lot more for you in store to help you in growing your real estate business. What I want you to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel here. Now, it's totally free. If you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up free of charge. I want you to subscribe to this channel because I'm going to show you how you can get closings on a monthly basis, how to attract more buyers, how to attract more sellers, what you can do with totally free marketing to grow your real estate business. We're loading new videos all the time, so I want you to do a couple of things. Number one, subscribe to the channel here. Secondly, I want you to ring the bell. That's going to notify you every time we post a new training video to help you in growing your real estate business. It's important for you to grow and learn from today's real estate market. This is going to show you exactly what to do so you can start attracting more business immediately. Now, most importantly, I want you to look at the description below here. You'll see some information and a link that can help you to start getting more closings today. I want you to check it out right now. Check in the description and go to that link. That's going to help you in growing your business and attracting more clients as quickly as possible. We'll see you soon.